Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher, and today we are going to talk about DILR for CAT, and this is the third session of Games and Tournament. We have already covered the two sessions of Games and Tournament. If you haven't watched those sessions, just go and watch those sessions. Now, what we are going to do, we have picked up, and again we have picked up a couple of sets and we are going to discuss those sets. And test series is definitely live, and it's high time you need to start preparing yourself, and you need to start building the basics and approaches for exam. And the best test series in the market right now is Career Launcher test series, so it's high time to join it. Now let's start. Now it says that there are 10 teams that have submitted their nominations for a reputed hackathon. Okay. They are first divided in two groups of 5 teams each. Ghostwriters to the Catalyst, Group 1, Team Intelligence to Dr. Big Bull, Group 2. In the competition, each team from one group has to pitch their idea against each team in Group 2. Okay, so we got group 1 and group 2, and there is no group 1 is not playing against group 1, group 2 is not playing against group 2, and group 1 is playing against group 2. For example, Ghost Rider will have to pitch their idea against each team in group 2. Okay, and the following table gives partial information about the final score sheet at the end of the competition. Okay, so this is the table that we got. Okay, so my job is to more likely fill the table. And if I am going to look at this table, the thing I am getting, this is specific a star. What does it mean? I don't know. And some points are given. What is pointing system? Again, I don't know. So uh, uh, Big Bull got 12 points. Screaming Eagles got 9 points. Ghost Riders got 7 points. So basically, these things that are given to us, but I don't know what is the pointer system. I don't know what is star means. So let's read. Now, there is a note that is associated. Tech pirates lost against evil mastermind. That does star means. Tech pirates. So basically, when I am seeing that this is star and it says lost, it means tech pirates lost and this one. So Ghost Riders is having tie against Screaming Eagles. Tech Pirates is losing against Screaming Eagles, and this is what that is given. So this whatever is written, that is the position of this team, not the position of this team. So this is what we need to be sure of. The Catalyst is winning against Golden Hawks, and that's what it says. Okay. Now, group 2, again, whatever is written, so some information is there. Point rules. Now, that is the important point. This is a pointer rule. If a team wins, the winning point, if team wins, the winning point, team gets 5 points. If there is a tie, both of them are going to get 2 points each. If team is losing, they are going to get 0 points. Okay, and this is what that is given to us. Winning means 5, losing means 0, tie means 2. And these are the questions. What was the result between think tank and mastermind? Okay, tech pirates has a tie against which of the following teams? Okay, which of the following statements are true? Some statements are given. Okay, so more or less table is going to be filled completely. Now, what is the pointer system? I am going to go back to the pointer system. Pointer system is win means 5, tie means 2, and loss means 0. Okay, I got 7 points. 7 points means 1 win, 1 draw, 1 tie. 9 point means 1 win, 2 ties. Okay, 15 points means 3 win, no tie. And think tank means 17 means 3 wins and 1 tie. And 14 means 2 wins and 2 ties. This is as simple as that. Now, if I'm looking at 12 points means 2 wins, 1 tie. This means 1 win, 2 ties. Now, this set is going to be a little bit confusing. I would say more than little bit of confusing. 2 wins, 2 ties. and 2 wins only, and it is going to be 2 wins, one tie. Okay. Now, when I'm writing lost here, it means that will be counted as win over here. Okay. Lost is lost for this. Lost win for this. This is what it means. Okay. Now, I got 2 wins. I got 2 wins. 2 wins are done. Okay. Now I need to have two ties. Okay. It can be a tie. Okay. This is having two ties. So Capitalist and Screaming Eagles can have two ties. Okay. 2 wins. So it means the Capitalist and uh, uh, Evil Mastermind cannot have a tie because Evil Mastermind does not have a tie. It means the ones are done. So it means the Capitalist is losing. It means it must get zero ties, score of zero. I would say this is 5 and this is 5. That is the score. Now I am left out with two ties. Now I am directly going to get two ties. One is going to be this tie. Second one is going to be this tie. 2 points. Okay. Now I needed one tie. That I got. Now it means there is going to be no tie. I needed two ties. One is this tie. One is this tie. So two ties are done. I need one win. So basically in this, one win and one loss for screaming eagles. Okay. Now, if I look at Dr. Big Bull, I needed two win, one tie, two losses. Okay. Now think tank is winning, capitalist is winning. So two losses are already done. So one tie, 2 wins. 3 wins, so it cannot be tie. It means it is super sellers are losing. It means Big Bull is winning. So I got this. So one win is done for it. Now, if I now what else? I need to have one tie, so it can have one tie over here. It cannot be a tie. And why it cannot be a tie? Because I needed one tie and that is already here, so one tie is gone. So I only need one win. So basically, this cannot be a win because I need to have 2 wins. One win is here, second win is going to be here. So Ghost Riders must lose against Big Bull. It means Big Bull is getting 2 wins. One is against Ghost Riders, second is against Super Sellers. So third match is going to be a tie. So this is completed. Big Bull. Now let's look at another one. Okay. So I am looking for 2 wins. This is a win. Got it. This is a win. Again, I got it. It means all three of them are losses for Evil Mastermind. It means Ghost Rider is winning. Super Sellers is winning. Think Tank is also winning. All of them are getting 5 points. Okay. Now, if I look for Ghost Rider, I needed one win, one tie. One tie is already there. One win I just received. So it means it is a loss. It is also a loss. So 0 points, 0 points. If it is Ghost Rider is losing, means it is winning. So one win is done. It is losing, it is winning. So 2 wins are done. So one is this win, another sorry. So only one win is done. Okay. And this is what I had. Okay. Now I needed one tie over here. I need one win, two ties. One tie is here. Now I need one tie and one win. Okay. Now, if I look at this team, Tech Pirates, can it win? Yes. Can it have a tie? It can't have a tie because it needed a tie that is already there. So basically, Tech Pirates and Team Intelligence cannot have a tie. Okay. So it is either going to be a win or loss game, but it won't be a tie. If I'm going to look at this team, I needed one win. Okay. So Tech Pirates lost. So one win is also done. So it means this match is Screaming Eagles is going to lose. It means Super Sellers is going to win. And Think Tank is again going to be win. So 5 points, 5 points. Now against a Think Tank, I needed 3 wins. So 3 wins are done. Now Think Tank and Team Intelligence. Can they have a tie? No, because tie is already done. So it means Think Tank must lose. and it should be a tie. And we are getting what? 2 points. Okay. So think tank is completely done. Capitalist is completely done. Evil mastermind is done. Screaming eagles is done. Big bulls are done. Now I needed three win. I got two. I still got still left out with one. Now what else is remaining? Uh, I need one win and two ties, and I need three wins. So one win is missing. Okay. I needed two wins. This is losing. This is losing. It means I also got two wins. So it means this should be a win. This should also be a win for it. It means team intelligence is losing both the matches. So one win, two ties. So this is going to be a tie. 2 points. So two ties, one win is done. Okay. So this is also completed. Now I got 14. I got one win over here, one loss over here, two ties are here. So this should be a lose for super sellers. I already got three wins. So this is going to be zero. Now arrangement is complete. So in this is a tricky one. This is a tiring one. And why it is, I'm saying tricky one, tiring one, because when you are going to look at this, so if table says lose, this should be a win. If table says win, it should be a lose. This is the tricky part in this table. If it says tie, tie is going to be there for both of them. For this team to win, there has to be a lose. For this team to win, there has to be a win. So this is, you need to keep on switching between winning and losing. Now this is why it makes a little trickier one. Now let's look at the question. Uh, the think tank and mastermind who won. So think tank and the mastermind who won. So I would say think tank and mastermind. Think tank is winning and mastermind is losing. So mastermind lost. So that's the answer of this question. That is option two. Okay. Tech Pirates have a tie against which team? So Tech Pirates, if I'm going to look at Tech Pirates, they are having a tie against Golden Hawks and Big Bull. So Golden Hawks and Big Bull, that is going to be 3 and 4 both. So answer of this question is going to be option 4. Okay. Now the next one, Golden Hawk Hawks won against Super Sellers. So Golden Hawk, where is Golden Hawk? So Super Seller is losing against Golden Hawks. It means Golden Hawks is winning against Super Sellers. So first statement is true. So if first statement is true, it means my answer should be either option 1 or option 3. Now I am only going to check statement 2 whether it is true or false. Evil Mastermind won against Ghost Riders, and it says Evil Mastermind is actually losing against the Ghost Riders. So second statement is false. So answer of this question is going to be option 1. That is statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Now, did we get the answers? Yes. So this is how it should be approached. A lot tricky one. Uh, Now let's move on to the next one. It's, I would say it is a little, not little, it's a lot confusing one, because winning losing consistently has been a lot trickier. Now let's look at this question. The game of quite is played between two teams, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they are playing in a quite tournament. Okay, that these teams are divided equally in two groups. Okay, so I got group 1, I got group 2, and both the groups got three teams. Okay. Now let's say the three teams over here are ABC and three teams over here are XYZ. I don't know which three teams we are talking about. Now it says that in the tournament, each team plays against every team in the same group only once and other group exactly twice. Okay. So A is playing against B once, A is playing against C once, A is playing against X twice, A is playing against Y twice, A is playing against Z twice. So how many matches A is going to play? So total number of matches played by A is going to be 8. So total number of matches played by any team is going to be 8. Okay. The tournament has several rounds. Each team consists of a few games. Each team plays exactly one game in each round. So if A is playing 8 matches, it means A is going to play in 8 rounds. B is also going to play in 8 rounds. C is also going to be playing 8 rounds. D is also going to play in 8 rounds. E is also going to play in 8 rounds. And F is also going to play in 8 rounds. So how many rounds we are talking about in total? We are going to talk about total 8 rounds. So total number of rounds itself are going to be 8. Now in the first round, how many matches are going to be there? There are going to be I think A, B, so basically, I think there are going to be 3 matches or something. Now each team played against a team from another group. So basically, in every team, every round, there are going to be 3 matches. And why I'm saying 3 matches? I got 6 teams. So how many pairs can be formed? We can form 3 pairs, and every team is playing exactly once in each round. It means in every round we are going to have three matches. So that's why the table contains 8 rounds and 3 matches. So basically one. So this is the table that is not given in the question. I have already made it before. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I know there are going to be 8 rounds. I'm going to read the questions. How many rounds were there in the tournament? I would say 8 rounds. That is the question I got immediately. Now, what is the number of team that played a team one in round 5? Okay, that I need to find out. Which team among the teams numbered 2, 3, 4, 5 were not part of the same group? Okay. What is the number of team that played against team 1 in round 7? Okay. What is the number of team that played team 6 in round 3? Okay. Now, let me check this. Each team played against a team from other group in round 8. Okay. In round 4 and round 7, the matchups, that is the player of the teams playing against each other, were identical. Okay. Now this is a good information. And why I'm saying it is a good information? Because if I'm talking about this combination, same group, A and B cannot have 2 matches. They are having 1 match. A and X can have 2 matches. So basically, when I am saying round 4 and round 5, they have, sorry, round 4 and round 7, they have identical matchups. Identical matchups means AX, BY, and CZ. Now this grouping is also going to be there. It means there is no match in the same group in round 4 and now round 7. They are playing against other groups only, and that's what it means. AX, BY, and CZ. Round 4, round 7. The composition is exactly same. It means group 1, every team of group 1 is playing against every team in group 2 in round 4 and round 7. And this is what it means. Now, in round 5 and round 8, the matchups were identical. So same thing is there. So matches between the same group are not there in round 4, round 4 and round 7, and round 5 and round 8, and this is what I know. Okay. Now, round 4 and team 4 and team 6 are playing in round 1 and round 2. Okay. So there is a match of 4 and 6. There is a match of 4 and 6. Now 4 and 6 are having 2 matches. So both of them cannot belong to same group. So I would say 4 and 6 belong to different groups. Let's say it is group 1, it is group 2. Okay. Now, team 1 played team 5 only once. That was in round 2. So 1 is playing against 5 in round 2, and that is only once. It means both of them belong to same group. it means 2 must be playing against 3. 3 matches, everyone is playing against everyone. So in round 2, 2 is playing against 3. Okay. Now the next one. Okay. Team 3 is playing against team 4 in round 3. Okay. 3 is playing against 4 in round 3, and 1 is playing against 6 in round 6. Okay. So this is the information that is given to us. Now in round 8, 3 is playing 6, 3 is playing 6, 2 is playing 5, 2 is playing 5, and so it means 1 will be playing against 4. Okay. Now, just now we have concluded that in round 8 and round 5, any match is happening, that match must happen from the teams that are in different groups. So 3 and 6 must be in different groups. So 6 is here, 3 must be here. Now 2 and 5 must be in different groups. Okay. And 1 and 4 must be in different groups. So 4 must be here. And I already know that 4 and 1 and 5 belong to same group. So 5 should be here, 2 should be here. So I got the groups. Now I think there is one more question. Question number 3. Which team among team 2, 3, 4, and 5 was not in the same group? 2, 3, 4 belong to same group. 5 is from a different group. Question number 3 is also done. So before we made the table, we analyzed anything properly. I already got 2 answers. Now round 4, round 8 is exactly same as round 5. So it is going to be 3 and 6. It is going to be 2 and 5. It is going to be 1 and 4. Now I think question number 2 is also done. What is the number of team that played team 1 in round 5? So team 1 is playing against team 4. 3 questions are done. अब तक 3 क्वेश्चन हो गए इसके. Now what is left out? 2 questions. What is the number of team that played team 1 in round 7? So round 4, round 7 are same. This is what that is already given. So round 4, round 7 में से कुछ भी एक निकला है तो ये आंसर आ गया. टीम 6 का राउंड 3 में किसके साथ मैच हो रहा है वो निकालना है. ठीक है. ओके. Now let me see. Now I needed 2 matches of 4 and 6 that are already done. I needed 2 matches of 4 and 1, 4 and 1 that is already done. I needed 2 matches of 4 and 5 that are yet to be done. So इस राउंड में राउंड 4 और राउंड 7 में 4 और 5 का मैच होगा और कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. ठीक है. अब 3 और 6 का मैच होना चाहिए. 3 और 6 के 2 मैच होने चाहिए. 3 और 6 के एक यहाँ पे 3 6 का मैच डन हो गया. 3 1 का अभी तक बाकी है. 3 और 5 का 3 and 5 am I getting 3 5 somewhere? 3 5 भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है. अब आते हैं 2 6 का. 2 6 का मैच अभी तक नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है. 2 1 का 2 and 1 did I see any match that happened between 2 and 1? नहीं. ठीक है. Now 2 and 5. 2 and 5 का मैच भी अभी नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली सॉरी 2 and 5 का मैच हो गया. 2 1 2 6 बाकी है. ठीक है. एंड 3 1 3 5 बाकी है. ठीक है. एंड 5 can only play one game in round 7. So it is already 4 5. So it cannot be 3 5. So it should be 3 1. So it should also be 3 1. So it should be 2 6. It should also be 2 6. Now one more question is done. What is the number of team that played team 1 in round 7? So team 1 is playing against team 3 in round 7. This is also done. ठीक है. Now, what is the number of the team that played team 6 in round 3? Team 6 in round 3. अब round 3 में team 6 चाहिए. ठीक है. 6 का 4 के साथ मैच हो चुका है. 6 का 2 के साथ मैच हो चुके हैं 2 मैच. 6 का Basically 2 6 is done, 3 6 is done, 4 6 is done. Okay, now 6 का किसके साथ मैच बाकी है? 6 and 1. So I would say 6 and 1, 6 and 5. Two matches are left out. 6 and 1 is already done. So only match that is left out is going to be 6 and 5. So 6 must be playing against 5 in round 3. That is also done. So we don't need to fill the table completely. Still then we are getting the answers 8 4 5 3 5. 8 4 5 3 5. Did we get the answers? Yes. So this is how we should approach this question. I would say this is not a difficult set that has been asked in CAT. This is an easy one actually. And with this, let's conclude this session. If anyone has any doubt, kindly do let me know. Thank you.